Hey guys, welcome back to my canal. If you're not subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscribe button because why else are you here? Today I'm going to show you a highly requested video on how to make my famous egg sandwich. The ingredients that you're going to need is pan. We're going to use wheat, mayo, your choice of mustard. I like horseradish mustard because it's got a kick. The smoked sausage, this kind. Cheddar cheese and tomate. We're gonna get a little baby pan, a spatula like this. Make sure that you look down in the description below if you don't have a spatula like this, and it is in my home and kitchen gadgets. A knife and a board.
Knife.
A knife. Okay, and so the first thing you want to do is peel the skin as much as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it makes a difference. And this stuff, like, I can't imagine that being good on your pancita or
That's that casing.
yeah, the casing that they put the sausage in. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it does make a difference. So I'm just gonna do that, put that aside, throw it away, and I'm going to make the smallest little slivers or slices, and this is all you need. And then I put the 2 pieces of toast in the oven to broil so that they can be nice and toasty. So I'm going to take these 4 slices, I'm going to put them on here. I'm going to let those, and we're going to check on the oven. Don't do that at home. We're going to turn them over, close the oven. We're going to turn the stove up a little bit, and we're going to start slicing our tomate. And if you have a dog, he'll be waiting, as you can see, and you'll tell him ha'ad, and you'll give him some. Going to wash my hands. These can also be found on my storefront. And I'm going to grab a fork. We're going to come back over here, turn the oven off, flip these. Don't do this if you don't have uñas, because you'll learn why. So I'm going to go into the oven, grab the toast, now I do this first because I like to cook the egg in the grasa for the huevo. Sorry, the stove is a fucking mess. All these other ones are clean, but we were doing the charcoal for the hookah, and it looked ugly.
Ooh, I'm grabbing some cookies.
Oh, one of the ingredients I forgot. The star of the show, the huevo. So in our house, we like to use the brown eggs, the large ones. But you can use whatever you like. And you're only going to need 1. Now after this is done, you're going to come over here. Try to let the any excess grasa drip off. You can use a paper towel to let it absorb whatever you want to, if it's still too much grasa for you. And see all that grasa? We're gonna use that to cook the egg. You're gonna come back over here. And while that's cooking, before you break the yema, make sure that you clean as you go. And we're going to start building our sandwich. So mayo on both sides. Always get a clean utensil because that's how things get contaminated. So I go like that. I go like that. And to be honest, Babe's never even tried my egg sandwich. So this is gonna be a first. It's a hit. It's not that hard to do. Doesn't take that long to make. It's super yummy, and I guarantee you he's gonna ask me for another one. So I'm already gonna be leaving all the ingredients out because this is a hit. Kids love it. Mustard on one side. And also, you guys, if you guys make any of the recipes on the channel, please tag me because I love to repost that kind of stuff. Then you're going to break your yemita. See how it's white? And we're trying to be a little bit healthier, so I'm not going to put salt on it because there's already the grasa from the sausage, and that's already has a lot of salt. And I kind of keep the integrity of the egg. How do you say it? Like the shape.
Sí.
Right.
La integridad. Integrity of the egg. Yes.
Because it literally fits within the sandwich. So as soon as I turn that over, you grab your cheese. And it's like a medium slice. You throw it over. You turn your stove on high for about 3, 2, 1. Let that chill. In the meantime, oh, I was gonna put my stuff away, but no. So that you can take advantage and put your stuff away, throw away the trash. I don't know, guys. I can't just have stuff laying around, so at least have some kind of order here. You could put a lid on this if you want, and I'll show you, because even if the stove's off, the steam and the heat off the huevo will melt the cheese even more. Hi.
Hello. Can't wait to try your famous egg sandwich there.
It's gonna change your life.
You've already done that.
So now let's check on it. See? Now you're going to travel over here. Literally fits right within the size of the sandwich. I know I'll be needing that again, so I'm not even gonna wash it right now. Then you have to place your sausage. I always place the outer ones, like the side ones. I put those in the middle, and I put the ones that don't have the cascara on the outside. And then you're going to place your tomatoes. Sorry, they're sliced like this. We got steak. I think they're called steak tomatoes. The big ones.
They're huge tomatoes.
And if you want, do you want any hot sauce?
Please.
Or you want ketchup or both?
I want you. This hot sauce.
Okay. Which one? We have Sriracha, Tapatio, Valentina. Okay.
Tapatio.
Sponsor your girl. Telling you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7,
6 drops.
8. Okay.
And then you're going to put the top of your
Pancito.
bun.
Made with love.
All right, and he's going to do it too.
I want to know them. True story.
All right, you guys.
Fire.
Super simple recipe. I'll list the ingredients below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you give this one a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Yes, I am making another one. I told you guys he was going to want another one of these. And also, you can make a keto version of this. These are keto buns. You can either make your own or buy them online. And yeah, bon appetit.